Hi there, it's Felicia, and today I wanted to share with you some sublimation products that our friends at INNOSUB sent to us to review. They've got a wide variety of blanks to choose from, as well as their own sublimation paper. I wanted to test their products, so I downloaded some free designs from designbundles.net and then loaded them into Cricut Design Space software. I only did that so I could size down the image using a rectangle and slicing what part of the image I wanted to use. I could have used other software. This is just the one I went to first. It's nice that INNOSUB paper is marked on the back so you know which way is up, and my design printed as expected and came out muted. The color will pop when it's heated. I used the design to sublimate the back of one of the phone cases and secured it using heat-resistant tape. The sublimation paper packaging gives you the temperature and the time for pressing these. I used my HJVron auto heat press and set it to 360 degrees for 60 seconds. I then placed the phone case backing on the heating mat on top of a Teflon sheet and covered it for pressing. I did this to try to protect the heating mat attached to my heat press. Afterwards, I impatiently let it cool down before removing the tape to show the results. Look at how the colors pop! Then attaching the backing on the foam was super easy. You just peel off the adhesive covering and replace it with the new sublimated cover. How easy is that? I did a second one and both turned out well, but I did have to use some warm soapy water to wipe off the residue of the paper. If you're in the market for sublimation paper and blanks, check out INNOSUB. Don't forget to like and share this video and click that subscribe button and notification bell. We publish new content all the time.